Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set who can view your personally liked videos on TikTok. So let's get started. First, what we're going to do is we're going to go to our profile. That's by selecting the icon in the bottom right corner that says profile. Next, we're going to select the three stripes in our top right corner. As you can see here, we have three options. We're going to select settings and privacy. And here in our accounts area, we're gonna select the second option that says privacy again. So now we're gonna scroll down a little. As you can see, liked videos. I'm gonna click on that. So it's automatically set to only me. It's better to stay that way, but for example, if you want everyone to watch what you have liked on TikTok, what you're interested in, etc., you can always set it to everyone. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!